Imagine yourself in this 2012 Honda Accord. Travel the roads in style and comfort in this great vehicle. With an efficient 4-cylinder engine, the powertrain includes front-wheel drive that responds smoothly to its 5-speed automatic transmission. Brake safely with the anti-lock braking system. Power and reliability are a great combination. This vehicle has both. Plus, enjoy these notable features that are included in this vehicle: power door locks, power windows, cruise control, an AM/FM stereo with multi-disc CD player, power mirrors, power steering, air conditioning. If safety is a high priority, rest assured knowing that these top safety components are included: front ventilated disc brakes, curtain head airbags, passenger airbag, side airbag, traction control, stability control, daytime running lights. Our website offers more information on all of our vehicles. Call us today to start test driving.